Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Customized Cutout in CapCut PC. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the CapCut application in your PC, import your video, drag it to timeline. Now we have to import video that you want to cut out. So click on import and select the second video and open. Again, drag it to the timeline. So in the left side, you will find some options here like basic cutout, mask and enhance. Select cutout and scroll down. You will find here auto cutout. If you check this, you will find this sum of options. It will start applying this auto cutout. As you can see, now you can simply adjust it, and now here you can get this sum of options to apply stroke. I will select this stroke. It's showing these values horizontal and vertical. You can change according to theme of your video and then simply export your video and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.